Hi friends, may peace be upon you. Let's take a rapid revision of 15 questions. Okay, let's get started. First one, setting time of zinc oxide eugenol impression paste can be accelerated by adding small amount of A. water, B. petrolatum, C. glycerine, D. plaster of Paris. Answer is A. water. A 5-year-old girl in an area with 0.2 fluoride ppm, you will prescribe for her A 0.25 mg fluoride tablet daily, B 0.5 mg, C 1 mg, D none of the above. Answer is B 0.5 mg. When is a NANS appliance indicated? A. Bilateral loss of primary maxillary molars, B. Bilateral loss of primary mandibular molars, C. Loss of one primary molar, D. To control thumb sucking behavior. Answer is A. Which of the following is the most common site of squamous cell carcinoma of the oral cavity? A. Buccal mucosa, B. Floor of the mouth, C. Mandibular gingiva, D. Palate, E. Tongue. Answer is E. Tongue. Ceramic shade matching is an important step in achieving natural aesthetics in dental tooth restoration. What is the most important dimension of color for dental restorations? A. Hue, B. Value, C. Chroma, D. Metamerism. Answer is B. Value. When a child must first exposed to the use of toothbrush? A. As eruption of first tooth, B. 1 year old, C. 2 years old, D. Primary school year. Answer is A. As eruption of first tooth. Periodontal abscess most commonly affect A. Incisors, B. Premolars, C. Canine, D. Molars. Answer is D. Molars. Fissural cyst that is entirely located on soft tissue. A. Globulomaxillary, B. Nasoalveolar, C. Primordial cyst, D. Median palatal. Answer is B. Nasoalveolar. When a dentist was doing a periodontal surgery, the instrument broken inside the tissue. What is the name of the instrument used for the removal of the fractured one? A. Stiglitz pliers, B. Alice forceps, C. Schwartz periotrivers, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Schwartz periotrivers. Common goal of most periodontal surgeries include A. To eliminate pockets, B. To provide direct access and visualization, C. Lengthening of gingiva, D. All. Answer is B. To provide direct access and visualization. Which root rarely has two canals? A. Lower central incisor, B. Upper second premolar, C. Distobuccal root of upper first molar, D. Distal root of lower second molar. Answer is C. Distobuccal root of upper first molar. Which area is most commonly affected by pemphigus vulgaris? A. Buccal mucosa, B. Labial mucosa, C. Soft palate, D. Hard palate. Answer is A. Buccal mucosa. Stiglitz pliers is A. Used to contour matrix bands, B. Used to hold the silver points, C. Used to remove roots during hemisection, D. Used to place rubber dam clamp on the tooth. Answer is B. Used to hold the silver points. Ideal crown root ratio is A. 1:2, B. 1:1, C. 2:3, D. None of the above. Answer is A. 1:2. For the memory tip, please watch my part 1 video. Minimal crown root ratio is A. 1:2, B. 2:3, C. 1:1, D. None of the above. Answer is C. 1:1. Friends, if you want MCQs with detailed explanation, watch part 1 to part 5. Dental Prometric Exams part 1 to part 5. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.